Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ali. I will explain about management cash. Understanding cash. Cash is money which save something, business or company. From the money can money cash, demand, deposit, cash bill, and other cash saved as treasure, most liquid or the most distributed. Management cash is activity arrange money cash to so that always there is and pass for need company. If money cash exceed need that save. Use is for fulfill various type need and obligation which need deposit company in period short. There is number of type definition about cash which review from state theory, draft economy, nor from state legislation. That is number 1. According to standard accountancy government. Number 2. According to standard accountancy finance. Number 1. Cash is balance stage at the bank or with in the form of money cash which call used for finance various activity, including activity which conduct by government every time. Number 2. Cash is account current account equivalent cash and also balance cash which is investment with character liquid for a long time, short and the most fast made cash trade amount curtain without face various risk change score which and no big. B. Destination management cash. Number 1. Pay off obligation. Specifically obligation period short which most fully fit in time close like tax weeks for employee payment, the dividend for para holder share. Number 2. Guard availability cash. Cash no only used for obligation period short with usually deposit by routine, but can show as security company moment experiencing with no predictable. Number 3. Push expenditure. Principle from management cash is every cash which issue must can produce payback with amount more big. Number 4. Balancing cash inflow and outflow. Arrangement cash is beneficial for balancing current cash enter and go out. If current cash enter more tell, so company rate call arrange the cash with good. If current cash go out more tell, so company must to do various type method for make cash enter with more tell. Number 5. For invest. If cash with how not too much for get result with more big company no will hesitate for invest use cash day. C. Genre cash. Genre cash in company, genre cash enter, cash inflow, and genre cash go out, cash outflow. Genre cash there is with continuous and no continuous, intermittent. Number 1. Genre cash enter continuous, for example, result sell product cash reception account receivable. Number 2. Genre cash enter intermittent, for example, income from participation owner company sell share, reception credit from bank sales the ATN no used. Number 3, genre cash go out continuous. For example, cash for purchase ingredient raw wax employee. Number 4, genre cash go out intermittent. For example, expenditure for payment, dividend, flower payment, installment, debt, purchase, return share, purchase AT. D. Factor affecting the amount of cash inventory. Factor which fulfill big small supply clean cash among other that is a following. Number 1, balance among genre cash enter and cash go out. Number 2, deviatianto genre cash with cash estimate. Number 3, there is a good relationship with the bank. A. Model management cash. There is model management cash which used for maximizing potential cash company. Like here, explanation about model the model. Number 1, model Baumol. Model this give instruction to company for can guard among the cash with good incomplete various obligation, as well as aiming for investigation when there is found too much. Number 2, model Miller or company need determine limit on and lower on cash with character no constant. When company release cash, company has limit on, so company required to do something to cash so that the balance return to amount with target. Thank you.